Hello everyone, welcome to Google Classroom Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can actually mark the attendance of the students in an online classroom which is through Google Meet. First thing you need to do is to enter your classroom. For example, I'm teaching programming fundamentals, so I enter to the class website, the course website. From here you can see different options at the top. Click or select the classroom from here. But before going to do this activity, it is important to organize your material. So in my case, I am using the same course website for two different sections. So I have created two folders or two menus, which you can see here: online attendance of section A and attendance of section B. So it is important that you can organize the material in such a way, like all the attendance related to class A will be saved here, and all the attendance related with class B will be shared in this folder. For that, for creating an attendance sheet, just click on the create button. From here, select the third option, that is question. It will open a new form. In the question field, just enter the information that you want to share with the students in the form of a title. Like, it should be meaningful. For example, attendance section B. You can also add information about the day and time on which the class is conducted. For example, today is Friday, the date is 27 sorry 11/20/20. Okay, next thing you need to do is to select multiple choice option from here, and then in the option just write something which the user can see and select. So present, if a student is present, he or she will select this option. You can also type additional instruction like, dear students, please enter your attendance here and submit. Okay, next thing you need to do is to actually select ungraded option, because we do not want to grade the attendance of the students. We only need percentage, so you can select ungraded option from here. Another thing you need to do is to give a time bound to this activity, and for that I would suggest that you mention the date on which you are taking the class. In my case, it is 27 November, plus the timing. For timing, I would say that it is important to mention the time at which your class is going to finish. For example, my class will start at 11 a.m. and it will I will round up my class at 12 p.m. So I write 12 p.m. here. After 12 p.m. the attendance sheet will not be visible to the students because the class time has been overed. After selecting this option, as I mentioned earlier, you need to organize the stuff. So this is the attendance is related with section B. So I have to post it. I have to post it in the attendance, in the folder attendance for section B. Select the folder. You can also check or uncheck this option. It's not that much important. I do not want the student to see how many students were present, so I will uncheck this box. Here you have two options. If you want this form to be visible to the students in the future, you can actually schedule it. You can schedule it, for example, 5 minutes ahead of the class or during the class, depending on the instructor. My class is going to start right now, so I will select the ask button. It will automatically and on the spot share the form with the students, and they would be able to submit their assignment. And that's it. Now let us see how the students are going to see the things on from their accounts. So I'm a student and I'm registered I am registered in this course, which is going to be online right now. So the first thing is that being a student, I am able to see the attendance is due from here. You see attendance section B. Another way to is to look at the attendance is to enter into the classroom, and from here you will see in the upcoming events that I have an activity which is due for today, and there is attendance. Click here and then you will see the option present here. the student will select this option and will hand in. If the student just select but did not hand in, the attendance will not be marked. So it is important to instruct your student that they have to select this option, hand in, and that's it. Now you will see that being a student, my attendance has been marked. Go to the instructor account now. I will click here. I will select the attendance for today class, and you see my students are ready to join the class. 6 students has already submitted their assignment. Just click here and you will see who they are. These are the students who are actually present online and they are attending my lecture. You can also see their names from here. Wow, and they are very crazy for the class. So 10 of them are 10 students have already submitted their attendance. You see, it is like updating in real time. Last thing is that you can actually save this assignment in Google Sheet or Excel. You can also export it to Excel format. For that, you need to click on this gear button and then select the third option, download these grades as CSV, a format which is compatible with the Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel. Select this option. It will generate an Excel sheet. Just open the sheet and you will see all the students who are actually present in the class or who attended the class. These are the students. Not 10 mean they are not present or they have not submitted their attendance. Here Adnan Gul is present. 10 mean that the student has marked his attendance. Similarly Awais Khan, and so on. So all the students are here. You can actually save it for future references. You can share it with the student as well, this sheet. Even you can return the attendance report to the students at the end of the class. So this is how you can mark your student presence in online classes. This method has drawbacks, but we will not talk about it. Okay, see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.